Hey, let me show you a secret code for your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So you have to open the phone dialer, and now you have to start with the asterisk hashtag 0 hashtag asterisk. And now from this, you should be moved into the test menu, but it doesn't work, just repeat. There we go, now it works. So it's actually the asterisk hashtag 0 asterisk hashtag. And now from this we can actually find some options, and for example we can test the speakers. From this we can also change if our touchscreen is working properly. So we have to actually get this green color on all of these boxes, and now we'll actually get result. So in my case, everything is fine. So from this, you can also find some sensors, the gyroscope, for example, the proximity sensing, and the magnetic sensor also. You can also find the fingerprint sensor test. From this, you can also find the colors. So you can find if your phone is actually viewing the colors properly. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.